Good morning, everyone. What is going on? Pedro here with another video. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at GBP JPY. And as always, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Appreciate all the support, guys. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe below if you're looking to take your trading to the next level. And with that being said, guys, today is Wednesday, April 20th. We're going to be looking over GBP JPY and a couple other trades that I'm looking at in this video, so make sure you watch to the very end. With that being said, let's dive in. All right, guys, so as you can see, we are currently on the 4-hour chart. Remember, this is the first thing you always want to do is make sure you understand the overall direction of the market. You want to make sure kind of what you're looking at, get a clear idea, and basically just go from there. So as you can see, the market has been trending bullish, and we've been seeing this nice upwards momentum for quite some time now. Like I mentioned yesterday, we did see a couple trade opportunities. So I'm not sure if you guys remember, watch my previous video. I did mention that the market should be exhausting. There needs to be a break in the market. There needs to be a moment of rest. Basically, the market's always going to pull back at some point. Doesn't mean the market's changing its overall direction, but it could mean that the market needs to rest and it just needs to exhaust a bit. So taking a look at where we are currently, you could see that pullback, basically what I was mentioning yesterday, did happen. And so we saw these really strong 3 candles here. This is the 4-hour, so each candle represents 4 hours of movement. And we could see here that basically price is pulling back. To where can we expect price to pull back? There's different ways to go about it, really, but I'm expecting price to potentially pull back anywhere between this key level over here and even potentially around this key level right here, the first area here, as a potential area of coming back down. Now let's take a look closer and go down to the 1 hour. We can get a clear view of what we're looking at. And so what I'm expecting right now is price to actually continue going downwards. This is actually a crucial area right now. So if price does hold this support right now, then we can expect price to actually continue to the upside, go a little bit further than what we would expect. Now, if price does break the support, we will definitely be looking for sells. Would be a good sell opportunity, and I personally think that price is bearish right now, so it will be going down further. And I was literally doing this setup here, so I want to show you guys kind of what I'm looking at. So as you can see, we've got lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, and then higher low. Right now we're at a key level here, so you could pull your fib, and as you can see, we're in that golden zone. Not only that, we are at a previous level of support turning into resistance, and so you can see this is a beautiful setup. We do short right now. I was already looking at it earlier on here, but we could still put it here. It's not too late. And then I would put my stop losses anywhere around, I would say at least probably around 40 pips. Bit tight, but I would have gotten much sooner. Anyway, so we'd be looking at about 86 pips profit versus for risking 40 pips, roughly, approximately at least. So yeah, that's a really nice opportunity there. But I wanted to do this quick video, guys, kind of show you guys what I'm looking at. And just how simple it is, how simple you can kind of pull this up. I literally just woke up this morning and I said, you know what, I'm going to do this video for you guys and show you exactly what I'm looking at and how simple it is to spot out these trades, right? Like I said, keep something in mind, right? Just because this trade setup looks perfect doesn't mean it's going to end up going this way, right? We also have to understand that basically the market will do whatever it needs to do, right? And within trading, you always want to understand mentally and prepare yourself and understand that not all trades will work out. It's not always going to be a win, and it's all about probabilities. It's literally, it's all about probabilities, and that's just how it goes, right? So what you want to do is minimize your risk as much as possible whenever you're placing a trade, and get into trades that have a much more higher probability. And yeah, basically that's kind of how it works, really, to be honest. So that's the one trade I wanted to show you. And then I'm also, I know yesterday I wasn't looking at Euro USD. Let's take a look at Euro USD. Right now, Euro USD to me is still kind of like, It did actually. Okay, so Euro USD, it looks like it did actually um, push to the upside, which is good. And we are getting that pullback. We could see if we go up to the 4 hour just to get an understanding. We can see that it was at a key level. Yes, I did speak about this, I believe, in my other video as well. So I was expecting price to push up, um, not fully yet. So until we don't see these highs broken, then I can expect price to still kind of range within this key level here, this zone, these zones. Um, so to me, it's still not even close to being bullish. I mean, price could still continue going downward. In fact, break this key level here, which will be hard, but it still could. So that is something that I was just looking at. You can see it is creating, it did break these highs here, and now it's creating some new higher highs. Most likely price will come back to this key level over here before continuing to the upside. So there's always ways to look about it, guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'd be more than happy to help. And I really hope that you guys enjoy these videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And with that being said, guys, I will catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much. Bye for now.